Hey, do you got a garden hose that looks like this? Kind of hard and kinked up right there. You can see the kink right there. Well, we got something a little bit different, a little bit better. So this water hose was given to us. This is a kink resistant hose. Now this one is 25 feet. Now it also comes with not only one, but it gives you a couple extra gaskets to go with it. And as you can see from here, has a really nice solid piece to be able to hook onto it. It is brass. I like that too, because brass seems to last a little bit better. Also, this hose can take up to 600 PSI before it bursts. And I'm telling you, that is a lot, especially when you talk about that the average house is anywhere between 40 and 70 pounds, and this can do almost 10 times that amount. Now, if you were gonna put this on an RV or anything like that, 25 feet would be ideal if you're at a park. So if you are in need of a hose that you can put on real easy, so that you can water your bushes. One that'll take a lot of hit, and will not kink. It'll do good out in the sun. Hey, get you one of these.